Good morning, friends. I'm Sunil Datir, Assistant Professor in Computer Engineering, KPTCO in Nashik. So, in this session, we learn about computer network devices. So, in computer network devices means what? Computer network is what? Multiple computers connect with each other. This is called as a computer network. So, there are some devices used. So, many devices used in computer network. First is a repeater, hub, bridge, then switch, then router. So each device is having some different task or different purpose or having a different responsibility. So in this session we learn about three computer network devices. First is repeater, second is hub, and third is the bridge. So we learn one by one. So first is what? Repeater. So a repeater is operate on a physical layer. So in OSI model there are 7 layers present. First is a application layer, second layer is the presentation layer, third layer is the session layer, fourth layer is the transport layer, fifth layer is the network layer, sixth layer is the data link layer, and seventh layer is the physical layer. Means lowest layer is what? Physical layer. So repeater is operate on a physical layer. So its job to regenerate the regenerate the signal over the same network before the signal become too weak or corrupted, so as to extend the length to which the signal can be transmitted over the same network. An important point to be noted to repeater is that they do not amplify the signal. Okay, when the signal become too weak, they copy the signal bit by bit and regenerate its original strength. It is a two-port devices. So this diagram shows the optical fiber repeater. Okay, devices. Next, a repeater can be to increase the length of the network by eliminating the effect of attenuation on the signal. Again, next point, it connects two segments of the same network to overcoming the distance limitation of the transmission medium. Again, a repeater forward every frame has no filtering capability. Repeater can connect the segment that have a same access method. First is CSMA/CD, either token passing, either polling. So we will be discuss this method in a later. First, so with the help of repeater, okay, okay, two segment will be connected. So first segment is present here and second segment is present here. So with the help of repeater, okay, these two segments will be connected. Is what? So this cable length is here and this cable length is available here. Okay, to increase the length of the cable with the help of repeater. Okay, so here right to left transmission is there. Is what? Corrupted data or weak signal. Okay, with the help of repeater, it regenerates bit by bit. Okay, original signal. Okay, regenerated signal is what? Original signal with the help of repeater. Again, left to right transmission is your corrupted data or corrupted signal gets regenerated. Okay, regenerated original signal with the help of repeater. Next computer network device is hub. So hub is basically used on physical layer, again, which is used to connect the multiple devices in the network. They are generally used to connect computer in a LAN, so local area network. A hub is basically a multi-port repeater. So again, hub, it is also called as a multi-port repeater. So a hub connect the multiple wire coming from different branches. For example, the connector in a star topology which connect the different station. hub cannot filter the data. This point is very important. Hub cannot be filtering the data. So data packet are sent to all the connected devices. All connected devices. Okay. With the help of diagram, I am explaining later. Then, in other words, the collision domain of all the hosts connected to hub remains 1. Also, they do not have intelligence to find out the best path for data packet, which leads to efficiencies and wastage. Okay, so here is the hub devices is present. Then hub devices, 2 port hub devices is available. So hub is a central point device of connection among the media segment. Cable from the network devices plug into the port. So these are the ports is available. Next is the types of hub. Passive hub. So passive hub acts like a connector. It connects the wire coming from different branches. The signal pass through a passive hub without regeneration and amplification. Okay. Then convert the several networking cables together. Active hub and multi-port repeater, they regenerate or amplify the signal before they are transmitted. So this diagram, okay, here the central device is present and star topology use is multiple devices connected to single hub. Okay, then task of hub is what? Suppose this sender want to send some packet or frame to this system. Okay, so first this sender send this data to hub, then hub cannot read this message. Okay, so cannot filtering any data. It will only forward this packet to all the station. All station. This station number 1, 2, this station also, this station also, this station also. Okay, so is what it will broadcast this message to all the station. Okay, that's why hub is not an intelligent device. Okay, so this station will be checked. This is my message, so it will check. This is not my message, so it will discard this message. This will also discard this message. This will also discard. So okay, it will my message, so it will accept this message. Again, this will be discarded, and it will be again checked. This is already my message, so it will discard this message. So in that way, so hub devices is not a secure device because it will send this message to all the devices. So that's why hub it is not a secure devices also and not an intelligent device. Okay. Next computer network devices is bridge. So bridge is operated on both physical and data link layer. As a physical layer device, it regenerates the signal at the receivers. When bridge is considered, it is working on a physical layer. Only it is task is what it regenerates the signal it receives. When it is working on a data link layer, then the bridge can check the physical and MAC address of source and destination content in the frame. The bridge has a table to use the filtering decision. So in bridge device, it will be filtering your data. It can be check the destination address of the frame and decide if the frame should be forwarded or dropped. If the frame is to be forwarded, the decision must be specified in the port. A bridge has a table that maps the address to port. Limit or filter the traffic, keeping the local traffic local, yet allow to connectivity to other ports or segment. So here Okay, so two LAN, okay, LAN number 1, okay, and LAN number 2 connected with the help of bridge. So port number 1, this two port bridge means two ports is available here. Port number 1, okay, so LAN number 1 uses port number 1 and LAN number 2 uses port number 2, okay, and LAN number 1, system number 1, this is the physical address or MAC address of this system, and MAC address of second system, okay, and here MAC address of this LAN number 2, first system MAC address of this, and MAC address of this system, okay. So bridge has maintained this table, so in that table, okay, it stored address, MAC address and port number, okay. So suppose, okay, this system want to send some frame or data or packet to this system, okay, this system. So this system is the source, and this system is the destination. So that frame attached with MAC address of this system. So here bridge will be what? Bridge has some kind of intelligent device. It will check which is the source address. So source MAC address it will be checked and destination MAC address will be checked. So it will directly unicast this packet to this system. Okay. So with the help of bridge, it will filter the data. Okay. So it is the task of bridge. So these are the references. Thank you, student.